video, I am going to describe something that is related to IELTS preparation. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. So guys, I'm from non-English background. My earlier education was done in Hindi. So for me, scoring good in IELTS was like something close to impossible. But if someone like me can score 8.5, believe me, guys, if you work hard, if you work honestly, you can do. But you need to, first of all, come out of your fear. So I'm gonna share what I did and how I made it. Make sure you watch it till the end. And I'm not gonna share general tips and tricks that you find online. No, I'm gonna share what I did. So guys, the very first thing that halts your progress, at least to some extent, is the fear. You need to come out of the fear. How you will do? You need to make it confident. So basically, what IELTS judges, it judges your English capability. Now, let me ask you a question. Let's say if your native language is Hindi, Bengali, whatever. If I communicate to you in Hindi, do you have any reluctance? No, it's my native language. I can speak freely. Who is going to stop me? No one. So this you need to develop in English. How you are going to do it? The very first thing. If I talk to you in your native language, your response comes naturally. But if I talk to you in English or some other language that's not your first language, how your brain works, it translates, it translates to your native language. Again, your brain forms a response. Then again, it translates. So come out of this translation. Come out of this translation. Speak natural. Initially, you may find you are doing a lot of grammatical mistakes, but that's fine. Over the time, when you work hard on your grammar, it will go away slowly and then you will gain the confidence. This is very important that speak fluently, speak non-stop, even if you are doing mistake. If you have a partner to practice, that's always good. If you don't have, then you have man in the mirror. Sit in front of the mirror and do. Second thing is like try to create an English environment around you. Like if you are living in an English environment, let's say if you're in an English speaking country, Canada, Ireland, US, whatever, you don't have much problems in practicing. You go out, speak to the people, and you live and you learn. But if you're not in that situation, how you are gonna do? That's where you can follow these tips. First of all, what I used to do is I used to listen to movies. I used to listen to English movies, not watching, listen. All the time when I'm going to office, during those days, I used to walk to my office. It used to take 20 to 30 minutes by walk. So I used to put earphones on, music, like English songs you can definitely hear, but listening to the conversation, because in your actual exam, you're going to listen to conversation. So I used to listen to conversation. It could be a movie, it could be news, anything that you want. You have a lot of resources for that. And then speak out, speak out, understand what they are saying, repeat the sentence. Where like you have pause play button, right? So which is in your control. Just play one sentence, stop, so say the same. Basically, what you're trying to do in this way is you are trying to retain what you have just listened in your mind. And this technique will help you in listening a lot. I scored 8.5 in listening because of this. This really helped me a lot. Okay. And same thing you can do in a better way is that try to write. Like I used to do in the writing also, like play, listen, write, play, listen, write, play, listen, write. Read newspapers and collect the words. Now, words, or if you want to include the vocabulary, I don't expect you to remember the whole Oxford Dictionary. That's not what I'm asking you. But you should be aware of lot of words. Your vocabulary should be high. So how you are gonna do it? You are actually gonna use the words. So just don't mug up the words, because on your exam that will not come out of your mouth or hand. What you practice, what you embrace will actually come out. So try to use them. Of course, use properly. You may do mistakes, but you can correct yourself. Grammar, focus a lot. Grammar is gonna help you. Grammar, focus a lot and try to r- read authentic English books or literature, whatever. See how they are forming sentences, and that should make sense to you. And if you practice like that, then slowly, slowly it will go towards your betterment. There are online tests, online practices. Do it time to time so that you get familiar with what they are doing and you can be like moving towards better goals. That's very important. And when you read, when you uh, when you read and do other things, like this will definitely help you in reading too. So that is how it works, guys. So like if you follow these things, this will definitely help you. Now, out of the tips that I have shared with you, let me know what do you feel like. Are they good, or what do you feel? So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.